So what is up, Turbo fam? We're back with another video, and today we're going to be taking another look at Turbo. So for the past few days, it has been going absolutely crazy. It has had a pretty good week. We're going to be taking a look at on how it's doing and what it could do in the future as well. So before we do start with the video, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Turbo, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we are over at our screen and looking at Turbo right now at about 0.201945. So very close to that 0.20 mark. Up around still 26%, almost 27 in the past 7 days, which is really good. It did go back down about 4% today, but again, that is because it has been rising heavily throughout the past week. Market cap sitting at about $134 million and volume at $46 million. The volume to market cap ratio is about 34%, which is still really good. So it is picking back up. If we actually take a look at the graph on deck screener of Turbo, we could see that it did bounce back from this range that we did take a look at. This is the long-term graph. And if this lower range is the other crucial range that we were looking at for Turbo, and we could see it bounce right off from the top. Again, this is not an accurate range, but this is just for an example for the price. But again, bounce back right from this top of this range, and then went back to this other range that it was consolidating at. So we still aren't sure if it could keep going. Or again, for now, it seems like it did make another lower low. We could see it keeps making these lower lows, and this seems to be another one of these. So the next thing, if it still continues going down, would be this range right here, about the 60 to $100 million range for Turbo. So again, that isn't confirmed as of yet, but it looks like we keep making a lower low, and the downtrend still continues for now. So again, short term, it may be a good price increase, but it will continue to go down based on this chart that we are looking at right now. If we go down back to Turbo right here, we can see Turbo pump activity on Turbo. It volume increased by 600, almost 700k. It did go up a lot as well. Turbo is surging 12% gain as it breaks above short-term resistance. The bullish momentum is building fast with massive 24-hour volume showing a strong buyer interest. We could see it did go up right there as well. Turbo consolidating within tight range for a few months, approaching towards descending trend line resistance, expecting 60 to 70% bullish wave after successful breakout. So we could see the same thing that we are looking at. If we look at this picture, we could see it is kind of consolidating, and we will only see bullish action once this kind of breaks out from this line or trend that we are seeing for now. So hopefully it does that soon, and then we can finally start seeing some good days for coming for Turbo. But for now, short term, it is doing good, but again, nothing in the long term is guaranteed. It could continue to consolidate in this range, or even go lower, bounce back from that previous line as well. So again, yet to see about that. If we check out their Twitter, we could see they're at about 109k followers. They post regular memes like always, and as we know that we recently got the Revolut listing, which also helped Turbo as well, and it did future proof Turbo as well, because the more exchange listings, again, the better. If we take a look at the current listing that Turbo has right here, listed on 125 plus spot exchanges, Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Kraken, Bithum, OKX, a lot more. There's a huge list of Turbo exchange listings, and it just keeps on growing. And the stronger this list is, the stronger the back end for Turbo is. So again, it keeps growing like crazy, and it keeps future proofing Turbo, and it will definitely help Turbo have a stronger kind of lifespan in the crypto space. So again, doing good on the short term, nothing guaranteed on the long term, because we are still in that range, kind of consolidating. When we do see a breakout, then we could finally confirm that we have broken out of that range, and we have finally taken some good action. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video, we did take another look at Turbo, what it has been doing. Again, in the past week, it has been pumping pretty good, so hopefully it keeps this up and we could give you guys good news soon. If you did enjoy the video, hit the thumbs up button and drop a comment down below on what you think about Turbo, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.